Porsche's latest Panamera model has set a new benchmark for luxury sedans at the Nurburgring, achieving a record lap time of 7 minutes and 24.17 seconds minutes. This remarkable feat, accomplished by driver Lars Kern, surpasses the previous record by over 5 seconds. The record-breaking model, though unnamed, is speculated to be the Turbo SE hybrid variant, potentially boasting over 700 horsepower. This hybrid powertrain features an electrified twin-turbo V8 engine, suggesting a blend of immense power and efficiency. The Panamera's enhanced performance is attributed to several technological advancements. One of the key components is the new Porsche Active Ride suspension, which significantly improves the vehicle's handling dynamics. Additionally, the vehicle's aerodynamics have been optimized, as seen in the deeper front splitter and the optional Carbon Aerokit with a gurney flap on the rear spoiler, designed to increase downforce. Visually, the new Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid distinguishes itself with black trim accents and a more aggressive front bumper design. It also features large 21-inch center-locking rims and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, ensuring superior grip and stability. The record-setting lap, completed on July 12, 2024, is the third Nurburgring record for the Panamera series, following previous records set in 2016 and 2020. Lars Kern, who has driven all 3 record-setting laps, praised the new model for its improved transverse dynamic capabilities, highlighting the advancements in powertrain, chassis, and tire technology. The previous record for luxury sedans was held by the Mercedes-AMG GT63 S4MATIC Plus with a time of 7 minutes and 27.800 seconds. The new Panamera's lap time also outpaces the Tesla Model S Plaid, though it remains behind Porsche's own Taycan Turbo GT. Porsche's continuous innovation in hybrid technology is evident in the Panamera's achievements. The company has indicated that the Panamera will coexist with the fully electric Taycan in its future lineup, suggesting a strategic focus on both hybrid and electric vehicle advancements. This new record not only showcases the Panamera's capabilities but also sets a high bar for luxury sedans in terms of performance and technological integration. As Porsche continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, the Panamera's latest accomplishment reinforces its position as a leader in the luxury performance segment.